Hello, the students. Universal law of gravitation was derived by the Newtons, so it is also known as Newton's universal law, because Newton's explained the hypothesis of Nicholas Copernicus, John Kepler, in form of a general theory. According to Newton's, he stated that everybody in the universe attracts every other body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. This is the universal law of gravitation. According to Newton's divided this universal law into two ways. First law the force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of their masses. As you study the given figure, M1, M2 masses of two bodies situated at a point A and the point B by the distance R. Body M1 exert a force F1, that is F12, and body B of mass M2 exert a force F2, that is F21. According to first law, the applied force F is directly proportional to the product of their masses. F varies as M1 and M2. This is the first law of the Newton's for the gravitation. Second law was stated as the force between two bodies is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, or two bodies, that is F varies as 1 upon R square. सेकेंड लॉ बताती है कि जब दो वस्तुओं के बीच फोर्स ऑफ एट्रैक्शन लगती है तो फोर्स उन दोनों वस्तु के बीच के वर्ग का समानुपाती होता है, बीच के वर्ग का व्युत्क्रमानुपाती होता है, इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल। प्रोपोर्शनल होता है। लेट कंसिडर दिस इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एंड दिस इज द सेकंड इक्वेशन। व्हेन वी कंबाइंड दिस लॉ दैट बिकम यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन। According to first law and second law, we come to at a conclusion that the force between the two bodies is directly proportional to the ratio of product of their masses and the square distance between the two bodies. Means F vary as m1 m2 by r square. F vary as m1 m2 by r square और F equal to g m1 m2 upon r square, where g is the constant known as universal gravitational constant. The value of gravitational constant g doesn't depend on mass of the body, and distance between the body. It is free from distance and mass of the body, so we can define g equal to f r square upon m1 m2. Gravitational constant equal to f r square by m1 m2. Tomorrow I am going to teach you and going to about the gravitation constant g and their units and value of g. For the morning tomorrow I am get permission to close and stop my lecture, and wishes for good for all the viewer, all the student and all the students that are the examinee of NEET, IIT, NDA and other examination. Thanks you for the next visit. Now I am saying about some important matter. If this plan is understandable, knowledgeable and easier to you, then subscribe it, like it and share to your friends, relations and colleagues. Thank you very much for the next morning.